My name is Kara Smith. I am a junior at CTEC of Licking County, and I'm in the Firefighting and Emergency Medical Services program. I am a chapter secretary at CTEC, and I'm really enjoying HOSA and really just everything about it. I really enjoy it. I'm running for state executive council, and I'm very excited for that. So for my speech, I was given the prompt of what is the greatest challenge facing healthcare workers today, and how can HOSA be a part of meeting that challenge? HOSA is such an incredible organization, and I love how they're giving an opportunity for teenagers and even young adults to get a head start in the healthcare industry, which I believe is so amazing and such a cool thing to be a part of. I believe the biggest challenge right now is just the lack of employment in healthcare. With the pandemic, we're not really, you're losing people left and right, whether that's to quarantine or, mental health. So I believe that there are 3 easy things that anybody can do. It doesn't even have to just be people involved in HOSA. It can be anybody, and it's inspiring your community. My biggest thing is inspiring the youth. My earliest memory of wanting to be interested in healthcare was being about 3 or 4 years old and running into my local library to pick out the ambulance books. I loved them. I carried them around everywhere. And throughout my childhood, I always knew I wanted to be involved in a healthcare thing. Whenever somebody would get hurt as a kid, I would run towards them, try to help, and that is really what pioneered where I am today. I think that making it more aware as children, bringing firefighters into school, bringing nurses and doctors into schools to speak about healthcare and what you can do or what may be available to you. And I think that I myself as a kid would have enjoyed that. And I think that that's something that could have really helped. Just me being a younger kid, I wish I would have been able to experience that. Inspiring your community, just doing things like local CPR and first aid classes, blood drives, volunteering where you can. Those are little things that I believe can make such a big difference in promoting healthcare and getting more people involved. So maybe they want to start a healthcare career, giving some way so people can experience what other people do. And my other thing is educate on all opportunities in healthcare. You don't have to be a nurse or a paramedic or a doctor. There are all kinds of things that are behind the scenes. So administrative services, working at a desk, being a receptionist, helping with files. Those kinds of jobs can help healthcare. Support services, so cleaning, stuff like that. There are so many opportunities in healthcare that could be talked about more. And I know that my high school offers all kinds of adult courses, and some of them, there's a medical coding, there's phlebotomy, there's all kinds of things like that, and I believe that that's the best way to get people into healthcare and to help face what is going on in healthcare right now with the pandemic. So I look forward to seeing you guys and interviewing in person and meeting people, and thank you for your time.